Close your eyes. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Slowly open your eyes, dears. Jai Gurudev, happy morning. Did you all practice vegetables name, sabjiyon ke naam? Did you all practice? If yes, type yes in the chat box. Yes, in today's class, we are going to listen an interesting story. Yes, before that, I am going to ask some words. You have to tell in Hindi. Okay? Monkey. Monkey में हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? Monkey को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
बंदर।
बंदर। Cat को?
बिल्ली।
बिल्ली. Very good. Yes. So today's story is relating cats and monkey. Okay. So I want all my children listen carefully. You need not to write anything, dears. Just to listen carefully. Okay. The story name is Bandar Ka Nyay. Nyay means justice. Okay. Bandar is giving a justice for cat. Okay. We will see in the story. Okay. Repeat after me. Bandar Ka Nyay. Nyay means what? Na. This is off na. Ya. Ya maa ki matra is this. So ya. Nyay. Nyay means justice. Bandar ka nyay. Okay. First, I will read in Hindi, dear. I will read the sentence, then I am going to translate in English. Okay. Yes. एक जंगल में, I want all my children repeat after me. एक जंगल में दो बिल्लियां रहती थी. एक जंगल में दो बिल्लियां रहती थी. दोनों भूखी थी. Yes, दोनों भूखी थी. बस in the forest there are two cats. दो बिल्लियां. दो means two. बिल्लियां is the plural. Yes, we have two. One more. If one more than what we said, it's a plural, right? We will add s. So here billiyan means a plural word. Okay. रहती थी. Cat lived in a forest. Two cats lived in a forest, and their two are felt hungry. Okay, they are felt hungry. भूखी means hungry. Okay. जंगल माने क्या है? Forest. दो बिल्लियां, दो टू कैट्स रहती थी मीन्स लिव्ड. दोनों भूखी थी. यस व्हाट डियर? व्हाट करना? दोनों भूखी थी. भूखी मीन्स hungry. They felt hungry. So next what happened? These are the meanings. Okay. जंगल माने क्या है? Forest. जंगल माने क्या है? Forest. दो means two. बिल्लियां, cats is a plural. Cats. दोनों means both. Both the cats are felt hungry, right? भूखी. भूखी means hungry. I'm going to repeat one more time. जंगल, एक जंगल. जंगल means forest. दो means two. बिल्लियां. बिल्लियां means cats. रहती थी lived. दोनों means both the cat. Both. भूखी थी means felt hungry. So what happened? एक का रंग सफेद था. Okay, one of the cat color is white. सफेद को हिंदी में इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? White. The two cats. Yes. One of the cat color is white and another cat color is black. Okay. एक का रंग सफेद था, एक का रंग सफेद था, दूसरी बिल्ली की रंग काला था. Yes, what there are two cats, right? So one cat color is in white color and another cat is in black. Okay, काला सफेद. So what happened? काली बिल्ली ने कहा, काली बिल्ली ने कहा, मुझे रोटी की खुशबू आ रही है. So black cat said, I am getting a roti aroma. Yes, when your mama cooked in a kitchen, you feel you can smell a good smell. Yes, you can feel a good smell. Yes, dears. So like that, what happened? Black cat said, मुझे रोटी की खुशबू. रोटी की means roti, you know, chapati. Yes, roti ki kushbu is aroma. Smell is coming. What black cat said? I'm getting a ruchi smell. सफेद बिल्ली ने भी कहा. सफेद बिल्ली ने भी कहा. Also, the white cat also said, मुझे भी रोटी की खुशबू आ रही है. Yes. For me also it's getting a roti smell because both are feeling hungry, right? Both white cat and black cat are feeling hungry. So black cat getting a nice aroma, nice roti smell. Yes, and white cat also said, yes, I am also getting a roti smell. Yes, shall we repeat one more time? काली बिल्ली ने कहा, means black cat said, मुझे रोटी की खुशबू आ रही है. I am getting a roti smell, a nice roti aroma. सफेद बिल्ली ने भी कहा. So सफेद बिल्ली ने भी कहा. Also white cat said, yes, for me also it getting the roti smell. मुझे भी रोटी की खुशबू आ रही है. खुशबू is a nice smell, a nice aroma. Okay, so we have two smell. Yes, good smell and bad smell. Yes, for good smell को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? खुशबू. Yes, वही bad smell को क्या बोलते हैं? बदबू. You should know the difference between two. Nice smell, what we turn? खुशबू. Repeat after me. The bad smell, बदबू. It's a bad smell. Bad smell को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? बदबू आ रही है. This is a काली बिल्ली means black cat. कहा? काली बिल्ली ने कहा. कहा means कहा means said. Okay, मुझे, for me, roti. Roti is a bread or chapati. Is खुशबू. खुशबू means is a good smell. Okay, सफेद बिल्ली. Safed billy means white cat. Okay, dears. Till now have till this line. Anybody have any doubt? Anybody have any doubt, dears? If you have any doubt, type chat in tell your question in the chat box here. Type your question. No. Okay. What about others? Yes. So next what happened? काली बिल्ली रोटी उठाकर लाई. Yes, so what happened? So black cat, you know, naughty black cat. He what he did? He took the bread and he came. Okay, without knowing anybody. Okay, see here, bread. See dears, bread or chapati, anything we tell roti. Okay, so Kali Billy roti utakar lai. So what happened? Black cat went and he took the bread and he bought the bread without knowing to anybody. So you know what happened? तो सफेद बिल्ली लेकर भाग गई. What happened? The white cat took the bread from the black cat and the cat ran away. See how naughty cats are. Yes, first what black cat did, he took the bread and he came, okay, without knowing anybody. He took the cat, the black cat took the bread and he came. So from the black cat, white cat took the bread and he ran, the white cat ran away from that place. Yes, Kali Billy roti utakar lai. He took the bread and he came. Who? Black cat. Yes, तो सफेद बिल्ली लेकर, white cat took the bread from the black cat and भाग गई, ran away. Yes, ran away. So what happened? दोनों रोटी के लिए लड़ाई करने लगे. Both both black cat and white cat are fighting for the roti, for the bread, because both are feeling hungry. Yes dears, for that time what they can do dears, they can share and eat. Yes, without fighting. The black cat and the white cat, they can share the bread. Yes, but they did not do, they started fighting. We should do like this? No. Yes, we should share the food with our friends, family members. Yes dears, so anybody feeling hungry, we can share our food. Yes, yes. So what happened? Both white cat and black cat, both काली बिल्ली और सफेद बिल्ली लड़ाई करने लगे. The both are fighting each other. उसी समय वहां पर एक बंदर आया. So what happened at that time? उसी समय means at that time. वहां, see, वहां means there. एक बंदर आया. One monkey came और बोला and said, मैं न्याय करता हूँ. I will give a justice. Okay, मैं न्याय करता हूँ. I am giving justice everybody. Yes. One more time. Sorry. दोनों के लिए लड़ाई करने लगे. Both black and white cats are fighting each other for the roti, for the bread. At that time, monkey came and said, बोला मैं न्याय करता हूँ. I'm giving a justice to everybody. Yes. So now what happens? दोनों रोटी, लड़ाई means fighting. A new word. Yes, लड़ाई means fighting. उसी समय means at that time. उसी समय means at that time. वहां पर means there. There the both white cat and black cat are fighting each other. At the place, one monkey came and said, I am giving a justice. Yes, न्याय means हमने क्या बोला था? Justice. Yes, what happened? लड़ाई means fight. Yes, both black and white cats are fighting each other, right? समय, उस समय, at that time. समय means time. वहां, there. बोला. So उस समय एक बंदर आया और बोला. Yes, told. See that I am giving a justice. न्याय means justice. So उसने रोटी को दो टुकड़ा किया. किसने दो रोटी को टुकड़ा किया? बंदर ने. So what happened? उसने रोटी को दो टुकड़ा किया और उसे तराजू में रखा. तराजू
Ma'am,
means a weighing machine.
screen
Yes,
became
Kanna.
small.
What happened?
Screen became small.
Screen.
Ma'am,
Is it so?
became
Yes,
small.
Trisha ma'am.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
so, Trisha ma'am?
Now it's okay, ma'am.
Now it's
Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Thank you for informing me, dear. So उसने रोटी के दो टुकड़े के. What happens? Bread को they cut in two pieces. Okay. And what monkey did? उसे तराजू में रखा. तराजू means is a weighing machine. In olden days it will be like this. Okay. Now we have a weight machine. Yes, carrot machine. But in olden days we have like this. Okay. So what happened? The monkey cut in. Yes, the monkey, what he did, he cut.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible. Okay, that is audible.
यस करना. उसने उस ब्रेड को टुकड़ा किया और तराजू में रखा. एक पीस को यहाँ पर रखा और दूसरे टुकड़े को यहाँ पर रखा. यस, इट्स अ ओल्डन डेज वेविंग मशीन लाइक दिस करना. Okay, if the same, the weight will be same. If it is one is up, one is down, so up will be as a more quantity. Yes, you will learn detail in next class, your next class. Okay, so what happened? उसने रोटी के दो टुकड़े किए और उसे तराजू में रखा. So monkey ने क्या किया? What monkey did? He cut the bread into two pieces. One piece kept here and another piece kept here. Okay. So what happened? लेकिन एक टुकड़ा भारी था. So see here, it up went down. See, it went up and this went down. Okay.
Ma'am, voice is low, ma'am.
भारी था. Voice is low. Is it so, Trisha ma'am? Our voice is not audible.
For me, it's audible, ma'am. Kindly check your network. Here, Kirtima voice is audible only. Kindly check your network, Anna.
Thank you ma'am. So उसने क्या किया? एक तरफ भारी था, मीन्स ज्यादा वेट था. तो उसने क्या किया? लेकिन एक टुकड़ा भारी था. सो वन पीस इज मोर क्वांटिटी कंपेयरिंग देन अनदर. सो उसमें से तोड़कर खा लिया. सो व्हाट हैपेंड? One side is the quantity is low. So you know what monkey did? He broke the small piece and the monkey ate the bread. What did it see? He can cut the small bread. He can cut the small bread and kept in another here, right? But you know what monkey did? He ate that piece of bread. Yes, it's a right justice, yes? No. Yes, you know what happened next? इस प्रकार बंदर ने सारी रोटी खा ली. So what happened? You know, like that. See here. Listen carefully. So here the roti is more. Okay, one side is roti is more. So what the monkey did? Yes, इसमें बहुत ज्यादा है. तो उसने क्या किया? उसे टुकड़ा कर खा लिया. So he cut into small piece and the monkey ate the bread like this. You know what happened? Yes, now here it's more quantity. So like that, what he did? He ate all the bread. Okay, who ate all the bread? All pieces of bread. Who ate? Bandar. See, he can share like yes. But what the monkey did? Monkey ate all the bread. इस प्रकार in this way बंदर ने सारी रोटी खा ली. All the bread the monkey ate. दोनों बिल्लियां पछताने लगे और दुखी हो गए. So क्या हुआ? Bad. Yes, we did a mistake. Without fighting, we can share the bread and we can eat. But what they did? They started both fighting. So at that time, who came? Monkey came. Monkey took an advantage and he became foolish. He became foolish for both the cats. Yes. So both monkeys. Yes, Kanna.
Picture small.
Picture is small. No, dear. दोनों they felt bad. Yes, we did a mistake. We should not fight each other. We can share our food and we can eat. Now see, we don't have a piece of bread also. Yes, so they felt bad and they felt sad. Both the monkeys felt sad. So, इस प्रकार with the monk. So from the story, what we learn? What is the moral of the story? हमें आपस में बांट कर खाना चाहिए. हमें means we together. आपस में together. बांट कर means share. So we can share. We have to share the food with each other and we have to eat. We should share the food among ourselves. Yes, dears? So at the starting itself, both the monkeys, without fighting, they can share the food and they can eat. Yes or no? Yes or no, dears? But what they did? They started fighting each other. So that a monkey came, monkey took an advantage and the monkey ate all the bread. White cat and black cat did not get a small piece of bread also. Yes, so we should not fight each other, dears. We should share among ourselves. Okay? You understood? You have any doubt? If you have any doubt, kindly type message in the chat box here. You can type your questions in the chat box. I will clear the doubts. Can repeat from waving machine, ma'am. Yes, yes. See. You should not message like that, dears. But you have to listen the class. Okay, see. Okay, from waving machine, I'm going to repeat one more time. Okay. Yes. Yes, what happened here? What happened here? Yes, monkey came and said, I'm giving a justice both of you. उसने रोटी को दो टुकड़ा किया. So what monkey did? Monkey cut the bread into two pieces. Okay, he cut the bread into two pieces. One slice here and another slice here. Okay, it's a waving machine. Okay, dears. So what happened? उसने टुकड़े किया और उस तराजू में रखा. तराजू is a waving machine.
And I can see because small.
Can zoom your screen, dear. So what happened? लेकिन but so what is this is a waving machine. One is going down. So in this the rotate the is more. It's quantity and their quantity less. So what happened? Yes, the monkey said, see black and white. In system red the quantity is more. So I'm
Guys,
monkey did and he picked the bread.
Ma'am, voice is
Yes,
breaking.
what happened here?
Voice is breaking, ma'am.
Is it so for all? So
yes, ma'am.
Ishan,
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ma'am, voice is breaking.
okay, now you all of you mute your mic. Mute your mic. Now it mute your mic, dear. Yes. Lekin, so what happened? So in one side the bread is more. So what monkey did? What monkey did? He बंदर ने उसे टुकड़ा, लेकिन एक टुकड़ा भारी था. सो बंदर ने उसमें से टुकड़ा खा लिया. So he cut a slice of bread and monkey ate that bread because he told that in this the bread is more. Okay, so like that what monkey did, इस प्रकार से in this way the monkey ate all the bread. Okay, so what happened? So he started playing with the cats. In this the bread is more. In this the bread is more, like that. He cut up pieces and he started eating all the bread. And what happened? He ate at last. बंदर ने सारा रोटी खा ली. Ate all the bread. Then both the cat realized their mistake. Yes, both the cat realized the mistake. Yes, we should not fight each other. We should share the food at that time. Now we can eat at that time, so we can able to eat the bread. Now we don't have a piece of bread. We did a mistake and the monkey took an advantage and ate all the bread. The monkey ate all the bread and both the cats become sad. Both the cat become sad. So from the story what we learn? We should share our food among ourselves. Okay, dears? If anyone feeling hungry, we should share. Okay? I hope all my children are doing. Right, dears? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, shall I ask questions?
Ma'am, read the sentence, ma'am.
Which sentence? You have to read sentence. Okay.
Ma'am, read the sentence, ma'am, please.
Yes, I got it, dear. I got it. एक जंगल में दो बिल्लियां रहती थी. दोनों भूखी थी. I'm going to repeat one more time. एक जंगल में दो बिल्लियां रहती थी. दोनों भूखी थी. एक का रंग सफेद था और दूसरी बिल्ली का रंग काला था. I'm going to repeat one more time. एक का रंग सफेद था और दूसरी बिल्ली का रंग काला था. काली बिल्ली काली बिल्ली ने कहा मुझे
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
काली बिल्ली ने कहा मुझे रोटी की खुशबू आ रही है. काली बिल्ली ने कहा मुझे रोटी की खुशबू आ रही है. सफेद बिल्ली ने भी कहा मुझे भी रोटी की खुशबू आ रही है. वन मोर टाइम. सफेद बिल्ली ने भी कहा मुझे भी रोटी की खुशबू आ रही है. सो नेक्स्ट क्या हुआ? काली बिल्ली रोटी उठाकर लाई. काली बिल्ली रोटी उठाकर लाई तो सफेद बिल्ली लेकर भाग गई. सफेद बिल्ली लेकर भाग गई. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? दोनों रोटी के लिए लड़ाई करने लगी. दोनों रोटी के लिए लड़ाई करने लगी. उस समय वहां पर एक बंदर आया. उसी समय वहां पर एक बंदर आया और बोला मैं न्याय करता हूँ. और बोला मैं न्याय करता हूँ. उसके बाद बंदर ने क्या किया? उसने रोटी के 2 टुकड़े किए और उसे तराजू में रखा. उसने रोटी के 2 टुकड़े किए और उसे तराजू में रखा. लेकिन एक टुकड़ा भारी था. लेकिन एक टुकड़ा भारी था. बंदर ने उसमें से तोड़कर खा लिया. बंदर ने उसमें से तोड़कर खा लिया. So what happened here? So the monkey said here, see, one bread has more quantity, so I'm going to eat some slice. So he cut a small piece of bread and the monkey ate. Like that, the monkey played a game with the cats. So he started. See here now in this side we have a more quantity. Like that, what the monkey did? He ate it small piece of bread. At last, what happened? इस प्रकार बंदर ने सारी रोटी खा ली. In this way, the monkey ate all the bread. So दोनों बिल्लियां पछताने लगे. So 2 cats felt that we should not realized. Both the cat realized that we should not fight each other. That's why That's why the monkey took an advantage and ate all the bread. Okay. At that time, both the cats realized and they felt bad or dukhi ho gaye. Dukhi means sad. They became sad. Yes, dears. So from the story, what is the moral of the story? We should share food among ourselves. Okay, with the father, with the parents, with your friends. Yes, with anybody we can share the food. Yes, dears. Yes. Now I am going to ask the some questions. You have to type your answer in the chat box. Samudri, your voice is breaking, Kanna. Your voice is not clear for me. If you have any doubt, type a message in the chat box, Kanna. इस कहानी का नाम क्या है? इस कहानी का नाम क्या है बच्चों? कहानी का नाम क्या है? कहानी का नाम, स्टोरी का नाम क्या है? बंदर का न्याय. Yes. I want answer from everybody. Yes, बंदर का न्याय. Very good. I want answer from everybody, dears. Okay. खुशबू माने क्या है? खुशबू.
Fragrant.
Fragrant. Very good. Very good. Nice. What is the opposite? What is the opposite for good smell?
Badbu. Badbu.
Yes, बदबू. Yes, yes dear. खुशबू का ऑपोजिट क्या है? विलोम शब्द क्या है? बदबू. Very good. Very good. Very good, yes. भारी. भारी means क्या है? क्या है?
Weight. Weight.
Yes, भारी means the more. One compare than other, it is more. So भारी का weight. Okay, भारी का opposite क्या है? It's a weight. See, when we compare the stone and feather, okay, the stone is a more weight. Yes. So what is the more weight का opposite? Less weight. Less weight को क्या बोलते हैं? हल्का.
Less weight.
हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? हल्का. हल्का. Yes. भारी, हल्की. Yes, हल्का, हल्की are the same only. Yes, dears. See, मुझे तो रोटी की dash आ रही है. What will come in the blank? मुझे starting. At the start,
Ma'am, your voice is
the black
breaking.
cat, काला बिल्ली क्या रहता? My voice is breaking, dear. Okay. Okay, मुझे तो रोटी की डैश आ रही है. काला बिल्ली ने कुछ कहा था. क्या कहा था काला बिल्ली ने? काली बिल्ली ने मुझे तो रोटी की डैश आ रही है. क्या? खुशबू. यस, यस, खुशबू. दोनों रोटी के लिए डैश करने लगे. दोनों रोटी के लिए क्या करने लगे?
झगड़ा.
झगड़ा. यस, झगड़ा करने लगे. बहुत काली बिल्ली और सफेद बिल्ली झगड़ा करने लगे. इस प्रकार बंदर ने सारी डैश खा ली. What happened at the last? इस प्रकार बंदर ने सारी डैश खा ली. उसने क्या खा लिया? बंदर ने पूरा क्या खा लिया?
Roti.
Yes.
Roti.
Yes, roti. Yes, very good, yes. So what you will do at the end of the session? After the session, I want all my children, okay, start reading, practicing daily half an hour. Okay, in the next session we will do the abhyas practice sheet. Okay, we will meet on next session. Thank you, Jay Gurdev. Have a nice day, dear.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am. धन्यवाद मैम. धन्यवाद मैम. धन्यवाद मैम.
धन्यवाद बच्चों.
धन्यवाद मैम.
Welcome.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.